Assalamu alaikum, myself Yousaf Raza, and today I present the Haidri Beverages distribution model, and this is the final project of the distribution channel management. Firstly, we start with the introduction of the company. Is a company as a beverage company that will make production of CST products and water products and juice products. 10 different plants including juice, aquafina, can and pent produce 36 different SKUs on daily basis. Here is the plant brief. His highest line of the pet ergo is crowns 36,000 speeds per hour bottles, and the monthly capacity 11 million overall the plant, and the annual capacity of the 118 million of the overall the plant. There is the products of the Haidri Beverages: 7-Up, Brinda, Dew, Sting, Aquafina, Slice Juice, Tropicana, Pepsi Black, and 7-Up Free. These are available in PET, can, glass, and bulk, and Tetra Pak, and regular glass bottles. Competitors, major competitor is Coca-Cola, and others competitor are Master Beverage, Mizan Beverage, Gourmet Cola, Nestle, Marie Brewery, and Chazan. Marie Brewery is located in the Rawalpindi, but the Coca-Cola have a warehouse in the only Rawalpindi. Others competitors nothing warehouse and locations of the production, but here is the small distributions of these competitors in the Rawalpindi. Here is the distribution model. Two types of the distribution model Haidri Beverages that are used. First one is the distributor storage with package carrier delivery, which said it terminologies in the Haidri Beverages like primary distribution. Why I choose this model? Because it is a food product, daily demanded product, mass volume in the product, low Haidri Beverages has no more variety, a fixed variety of 36 only SKUs, and low variety of the products, no more high variety. Low products variety and consumer required a quick response because it is available, must be available on the convenience store at the time, during the time that consumer need it. Product availability, need to available the product to hold the region that are the located that are assigned by the PepsiCo in the Haidri Beverages. Second distribution model is the manufacturing storage with last mile delivery. This model is used only for the Aquafina, yeah, bulk Aquafina, and company no more focus on this because a lot of competitors on the market available. So we focus on this model: primary distribution, distributor storage with our package carrier delivery. Whole the all other products distribute with this model. Here is the diagram. Production plant is the produce the products. Company warehouse that are finished goods are saves, and primary distribution company use by using by primary distribution distribute to the distributors. And now here is the distributors use a secondary distribution. It is transfer it to distribute it to retailers, wholesalers, and then they are transferred to convenience stores. Geographical segmentation. Here is that in Pakistan, total the 7 franchises of the PepsiCo. First one is Northern Bottlers in Peshawar, Haidri Beverages in Islamabad, Nawabahar Bottlers in Gujranwala, and Pakistan Beverage in the Karachi, and Sakar Beverage in the Sakar. In Haidri Beverages cover a region that are assigned by the PepsiCo, that are the north region, Gujar Khan to Sakardu. So Haidri Beverages this divide this region north area, whole north area, into regions, and certain number of units in the under the one region, and then in a unit have a certain number of the distributors. Here is the detail of the distribution model. 4 regions in the Haidri Beverages use in the 10 units in the 4 regions, and the distributor are 72. Likewise, in the base like in the Rawalpindi and Islamabad, here is this Rawalpindi 4 distributor, in the Islamabad 1 distributor. Here is the hierarchy of the staff that are the under the distributor, what they are company staff, regional sales manager, see the region, and under the unit manager, in the under this manager, distributor, executive, and then the order takers that are the take order from the market. Logistics management. Company no have own transport. They have only use the third party logistics. There is two types of logistics used: open ended for the palletized loading and the closed ended for trucks for the manual loading. Manual loading is used when there are no flat roads and the hills areas. There is product maybe fall downs in the other in the hill areas. So meanwhile the closed truck are used for and open palletized loading. For the palletized loading, palletized loading is the efficient for the company, and the manual loading is not non efficient for the company, because non manual loading is the cost of labor and the crafted sheet cost incurring during the loading. In pelletized loading also the time is less. Likewise, 10 pallets small size truck in 15 load in 15 minutes, 24 pallets pallet size large size of the truck load in the 25 minutes. But in the 100 cases Bedford is load in the 1.5 hours, and the 200 cases 10 wheelers load in the 3.5 hours. And the company also use the reverse logistics for returns for their asset return to the plant. Likewise, plastic pellets and plastic sheets and the RGB regular glass bottle that are the filled again from the plant. Here is the docking overview. Here is three warehouse: new warehouse, main warehouse, and RGB warehouse. At three docking station for the palletized loading, and the five docking station for the auto manual loadings. Here is the view of the area transport way. That's the in gate from the out gate. There's some pictures of the palletized loading. These are the palletized loading and docking station. This is the manual loading on the docking station on the front of the docking station. Visibility and tracking. Company use a third party star technology for for ensuring their visibility. They install the tracking trackers in all vehicles, and route system and route plan and given to the each vehicle must be follow this route and time. If they have extra time gone, then they have penalty charge to the transporters. In case of risk and accident assessment done by the insurance company, because all of the assets are the 100% insured. Order processing. And where is the order processing is from the start from the OTC. OTC is a software with order to cash, name with order to cash. Distributor punch his punch his order in the OTC and pay the payment in the company account. Then the pre-order is generated by the sales services officers. They are also available in the shipping office. Here is the each process where each order is processed in the 24 hours. Then the pre-order is generated. Sale order is also generated from the shipping team. When the payment is confirmed, and shipping personnel must be our sale order generated in the SAP. Then delivery notes generated. Then the delivery note hand over to the shipping personnel, warehouse in charge, and the different areas, and the transporter personnel that are ensure the product loading. After product loading, gate pass are generated. 4 copies are generated. First one is the cash office, for the cash office, shipping office, and the transporter and distributors. Then at the end of the PGI is done. PGI is post good notes issue, post goods issue note done. This for the SAP outstock. In the SAP for the stock minus from the shipping area for the warehouse area, and the into the distributor side. Warehouse capacity. Here is the warehouse capacity. The total is the 2.1 million, whereas the temporary warehouse 3.350 cases. This is only used for the in case of emergency, then high certain demand in the market. Likewise on Eid days. Here is the detail of one case is equal to one pet of the 1500 ml beverages standards, and one pet is 6 bottles of 1500 ml. The warehouse company warehouse follow the FIFO system, first in first out. For there are production date firstly that are out firstly from the warehouse. Industrial exhaust also install for the chemical control the temperature and the quality control the quality of the product. And the no company warehouse outside the Haidri Beverages, and 150 staff work in the three shifts for the operations of the warehousing. These are some random pics of the warehouses. Here is the date code. These are helpful to the search back the product logs, like was if any issue of the quality and production sides, then for search back the where is the shift, where is the man that on the where is the operators on the machine that are produce this product, and also show the best before date and the help and the FIFO for the first follow the FIFO, because here the date of production and date of expiry is on the date of best before date and mention on it. Here is the P for stand for the production date, then the two digits for the days and two digits for the month, and the next two digits is for the years. Is a specific code from the assigned by the PepsiCo Haidri Beverages, that six is assigned for the line six are production, and then other the time digits are shown. Then best before shown, and then best before date shown, then a retail price shown, then plus sale tax, and then unchilled shown on the date code. These are two line date codes, but unchilled not mentioned on the bulk productions. Returns and complaints. Sometimes our quality issues occurs due to some environmental factors, and other factors are influenced to the product. Distributor must be reported 24 hours if any product issue, and then the quality personnel go to the on the site, the visit the site, see the issue, and if any issues from the company side, that company claim the product, replace the product, and then also done a root cause analysis, because why this issue is come, and how to avoid from the next time this issue. Here is the staff hierarchy. Is the shipping department HOD, head of department. This is the deputy manager. See the warehouse finished goods that are including the warehouse and outbound logistics, and the assistant manager the raw material. See the raw material warehouse and the mechanical warehouse that are all manage the raw material stores. In the under of this supervisor work, and the warehouse in charge works, and the lift operators works. Major distributor are Islamabad in Reliance, and Mirpur for Rajal traders. Also the major transporter are the base Allied, and the Kashmir for Kyan, and for the Aptabad are Evergreen. Haidri Beverages have mission to produce a PepsiCo quality products, and use by the using of good and an initiative from the going to the PepsiCo. Likewise, stages of M&Ws and other things. In this year 2021 target is the 49 million cases, and the water usage ratio less than as a competitors. Water usage ratio as a water used in the 1 liter beverage for producing a 1 liter beverage. Operational less operational expenses due to high technology, because they are using a German plants, and that has the high technology and low power consumption. That is other factor that influence the cost of productions. There is the follow the Haidri Beverages quality and other rules of the PepsiCo, PSQCI Pakistan Standard Quality Control, and the AIP American International Baking Institute. These are rules followed by the Pepsi Haidri Beverages. Sources. There is a primary data collection from deputy managers Muhammad Javed. Thank you so much.